how to sign up for Shein affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how you can promote all these products and get the commissions out of it. So there is no direct way to do it by going onto the Shein's website and checking out their affiliate program, but there is one way, and for that you will have to open up your browser and search for CJ affiliate. Then open up their official link. Make sure that you are opening up the official one, and you can just simply find it on the top of results, and this is how it will appear. Now over here, create yourself an account and make sure that after creating your account you have to fill all the details in your network profile. This way the advertisers will be able to check out your profile and see whether you can promote their products or not. So after getting the account, just simply fill your profile, and after that go to the advertisers section. Over there simply search for Shein, and this way you would be able to apply for Shein's affiliate program. But sometimes the Shein's affiliate program might not be available for you, so in that case you can simply check out this particular affiliate program on a later date, and this way you would be able to get into it, as sometimes Shein's affiliate program is not available for all the people out there. You can also, meanwhile, you can go with the other advertisers and join their affiliate program. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.